So my name is Jonathan Shannon. I was adopted out of Vietnam in 1975. Grew up in St. Petersburg Beach, Florida. Most of the people of my kind were there to work, not live. And I think that started my indifferences of not being accepted. Not that I use that as an excuse, because at the end of the day, I did love the effects that drugs had on me. The story was always the same. Rehab, relapse, jail, rehab, relapse, jail, rehab, relapse, jail. And we did that period for 6 times. This is treatment number 20 for me. I got on a bus, came to Orlando, hung around here, went back to the same facility that I went to in Alabama. They said no. Went to Montgomery, Alabama, went to Birmingham, Alabama. I went to Atlanta, all of them. No, 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 no. Came back and came to Orlando just because at the end of the day, it was the only place I knew where I could be homeless and be fed every single day. The elevator still had floors to go down before I finally hit that basement. I had sold cars a long time ago with another person who went through this program. I'd seen a Facebook post about him going to church. So I reached out to him and I was in tears and I said, I've had enough. And he said, I know exactly where to take you. Are you done? I think at that time, what I really wanted was to know I had somewhere to sleep and a shower. I've been here almost 6 months now to the day. When I came in, I was in pretty bad shape, and I was only on the street for 3 weeks. But in those 3 weeks, it tore me down. They got me hireable in 8 days because I had no clothes or nothing like that. The community, your brothers that you live with, they raised over $300 so I could get a job working in an office. I was so grateful for that. And each person who helped me out said they didn't want the money back. What they wanted me to do was help other people. I won't get into what I do to help other people, but I've helped a lot of people. Probably my wife and I don't know yet. We may get divorced, we may not, but that's not my problem. Not right now. My problem is me making sure that I continue to show up every day and that I don't screw up every day. God has touched my heart in ways that I can't even begin to tell you. My parents and I hadn't seen them for 5 years. My brother, I hadn't talked to him in 8 years. When I went down for Christmas, God had told me, don't worry about your wife and son. I want you to make amends to your brother. It's not about what the other person did. It's how I reacted to it. So I made amends to him. The relationship with my mom and dad are amazing. There's still a lot of work to be done on it, but you have to start somewhere. I've never before in my life wanted to dedicate myself to anything. As long as you give it a chance, what's going to end up happening is a change in your heart. And to get a fresh start, well, that's the whole point. I am so grateful, even after 6 months of being here, what this place has done. I go up to them at least once a week and just say thank you to the staff members, because I understand the sacrifices that they've made personally so that I could come here and change.